Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to know your Windows version, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. So in this video I will show you how to fix or how to show up your Windows current version with the serial number on it. So before that, please subscribe to the channel guys. All what you need to go, which is to the search, then type settings. Then when you need to go to settings, go just to system, then scroll down and then go for about, and then scroll down till you find the Windows specification, and you will have the edition, which is Windows 11 Pro, and I have the version of 24H2, and then where it is installed, US built, and so on. So that's how you guys get your Windows version on your laptop or computer. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe.